Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey Clashers! Ever wanted to play your favorite mobile strategy game, Clash of Clans, on the beautiful big screen of your MacBook Pro? Good news, you absolutely can. Even though it's designed for phones, there are some great ways to bring the action to your Mac. We'll show you exactly how to set it all up, step by step, so you can enjoy building your village and raiding others with ease. The key to playing Clash of Clans on your Mac is using an Android emulator. Think of it as a virtual Android phone running right on your computer. While there are a few options out there, we highly recommend BlueStacks. It's incredibly popular for a reason, offering excellent performance, easy setup, and a really smooth experience for gaming. It's definitely your best bet for getting started quickly. Getting BlueStacks onto your MacBook Pro is pretty straightforward. Head over to the official BlueStacks website first. You'll find the download link right there. Once the file is downloaded, simply double-click it and follow the installation wizard. It will guide you through each step, and you might need to grant some permissions, like access to your system. Just approve those, and the installation will complete in no time. With BlueStacks ready, open it up. It will feel just like using an Android tablet. You'll want to find the Google Play Store icon, which should be easily visible. Click on it, and then sign in with your Google account credentials. Once logged in, simply search for Clash of Clans in the search bar. You'll find the game listed just as you would on your phone. Hit install and let it download. For the best experience, adjust BlueStack settings. You can often allocate more RAM or CPU cores if your MacBook allows, making the game run even smoother. Remember to use your mouse for precise troop deployment and your keyboard for speedy chat. Playing Clash of Clans on your MacBook Pro truly opens up a new world of fun. If this guide was helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing for more tips. Happy clashing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.